Good morning to you all out there. So I want to talk about some of you people. Okay, so you probably are thinking, why would this girl name her channel Sharon McClone? I have a grandma named Sharon McClone, and I would really like to support her. And right now I'm using her phone to record my phone. She's very special to me, and my belly is very anxious right now. It's like, I want to say like 7:30 in the morning. Let me go ask my grandma. Hey, Graham, what time is it?
I just don't tell. It's messed up.
I cannot tell the clock up there. It's too hard for me.
8:25.
8:25. Okay. I'm gonna be playing with this one. I made another video about this Fluey Super Slime, but you guys will actually be able to see me. This slime's so evil, guys. Ew. This is fluffy slime. It's very fluffy and sticky. Yeah, it's very sticky. This video is going to be short for some reason. But while I'm playing with this slime, I just want to ask you guys some questions. Comment down below and said I subscribe, and well, don't do that. Just make sure you subscribe, cause where did you guys get this slime, or did Amanda get it? Cause it's like, it's so sticky. But guys, make sure you subscribe. But I don't like this slime for some reason. Like, guys, seriously. I wonder if this is like some kind of butter slime. I'm gonna smear it out with my finger. I don't clearly think it's butter slime, but later on I'll make a video of me making some slime. Now I'm going to be having 2 channels. One's Sharon McClone, one's going to be another channel, but I have no idea what. This is like so stinking nasty. That is all for today with these slimes. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Make sure you subscribe and click the thumbs up. Bye.